Hello, you too, Mel! Welcome to mga kame.
Are you lost, baby girl?
Kung unsaon pag-hotcake.
Our chocolate hot cake. First, add 1 egg. Next, 1 cup of evaporated milk. To add your chocolate mixture, that's 3 tables of choco melted in warm water. Once you have added all the 3 ingredients, just mix. Add all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon baking powder, of salt, some chocolate dip. Mix it properly. Transfer to until no lumps left. The pan. Add your mixture and don't forget to add just flip and serve it hot. Just until cooked and serve it hot.